Little free libraries. You've probably seen them in your town, but what about at your airport? Dekalb-Peachtree Airport in Georgia is now home to a little free aviation and aerospace library done up as a replica of the airport's World War II hangar. It's packed with books to get kids interested in STEAM or science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics.
We're excited to introduce this little free library to the community as part of the Aspire initiative, our aerospace STEAM program inspiring through real-world experiences.
Major Latessa Metter hopes the exposure to these big ideas could spawn future careers. That's the goal of the Inspire Aviation Foundation and their Aspire curriculum.
Inspire Aviation Foundation is a 501c3 no-profit which we set up about 4 years ago with the objective of building the Georgia Air and Space Museum and Education Center here at the Dekalb-Peachtree Airport.
The group hopes to create a space where kids can come and learn, and they hope this little free library reads of big things in the chapters ahead. Sierra Harrop, AOPA Live.